Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. My name is Shruti Gupta. I am a qualified and a registered dietitian and a nutritional therapist. I am based in Bangalore. I have got more than 11 years of experience and I see clients on one-to-one basis, and I also share some interesting and useful videos on YouTube and on my website. I have been feeling very stressed and anxious for the last few days. So I thought if you are feeling the same, let me share with you some useful tips which will basically help you feel better as well. So I am going to share something about hormones which are needed during when you are stressed, and also how we can balance if the hormones are imbalanced, how we can balance it through proper nutrition and lifestyle. So let's first understand what happens when we are stressed. Basically, when we are stressed, there is a release of a physiological response which is called the HPA Axis. And HPA Axis is the hypothalamus, the pituitary and the adrenals. Basically, hypothalamus is located in the brain and it sends signals to the pituitary and the adrenals to release hormones. So one of the important hormone released by the adrenals, which adrenals are basically located on top of the kidneys, and adrenal release this important hormone called the cortisol. And cortisol is very important in our lives. Without cortisol, we cannot live, as it has got some important functions. So the important function of cortisol is basically it provides energy during this stressful time. And if you are lacking in glucose in the body, it will break down proteins and fats from the body to provide energy. Also, it helps in balancing the blood sugars and also the blood pressure. Also, it acts as an anti-inflammatory during the time of infection. Now the problem arises is when there is too much of cortisol in the body. So when there is too much of cortisol, basically it decreases the white blood cells which are needed during infection and in the immune system. Also, it basically increases the blood glucose levels, which leads to insulin resistance, and also it basically increases blood pressure. So but the good news is we can balance it through proper diet and lifestyle. So let's look into the diet part first, the nutrients required. So first would be the complex carbohydrates. So complex carbohydrates are needed to balance blood sugar levels. The complex carbohydrates would be things like oats, barley, quinoa, brown rice. All these are rich in complex carbohydrates. Also proteins, especially the tyrosine-rich foods. So the tyrosine-rich foods basically are needed for the adrenal hormones, which I explained about the adrenals. So tyrosine-rich foods will be the sunflower seeds, the pumpkin seeds. Also it is rich in eggs and fish, oily fishes. Another nutrient which is required is the essential fats, as you must have heard of the omega-3 fats. So which is included in chia seeds, flax seeds. Also using cold press oils instead of the regular oils would be beneficial. Magnesium is in basically green leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, kale, rocket. All these have magnesium in it. Also nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts and cashews, and again the seeds like sunflower and pumpkin seeds and flax seeds. Lastly, the vitamin B6. B6 is found in lentils, beans, brown rice, and also the seeds, as I mentioned. So that was about the diet part. Now coming on to the lifestyle changes. In the lifestyle changes, I would say a good sound sleep is good. So basically sleeping on time is beneficial. Then also doing some cardio exercises like for 45 minutes, like running or doing some high intensity workout will help. Meditation for 5 to 10 minutes is useful as well. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos like this, do visit my YouTube channel.